I have been dying to try this ever since I got here. I was like, I want fufu, I want fufu, I want fufu. You take a piece off, and Wisdom showed me how to do this. You roll it.
Not with your two hands.
Oh, sorry, you roll it with one hand.
That's okra soup.
Which is okra soup. Hey guys, welcome back. I finally made it back to the house. We went and got some food. And so we found this local spot. As you saw, it was called Mama's Kitchen, that has authentic Nigerian food. So that was the purpose of this. In the entirety, I had $10,000, I'm sorry, 10,000. I had 10,000 Naira, which was equivalent to 27 US dollars, but I ended up spending around 3,400 Naira, 3,400 Naira on the food that we got today. So Wisdom, welcome back, Wisdom, to the show. Yep. Is going to tell us what every item is. And then I'm going to kind of show you, we're just going to dive in and eat it and see what it tastes like. So for all you U.S. citizens out there or for other foreigners, you definitely have to try the local food. Like, you can't come to Nigeria and don't try local food. So you just pick everything, find what you like, and at least you know the next time you come back, hey, this is what I like, this is what I prefer to eat, which is local Nigerian food. Okay, cool. Wisdom, take it away. What do we have here?
Right here, this is rice and chicken and dodo. That's plantain.
So dodo, so like in the US we just say plantain, but Nigerians say dodo.
Yeah.
So dodo, little lesson learned. Dodo is plantain in Nigerian. Okay, cool. What else we got?
Rice and stew and Kpomo.
So rice and pomo.
Rice and stew.
Rice, stew, and pollo.
Kpomo, that is cow skin.
Cow skin, you guys. So that is cow skin. And I actually taste a little piece of it already, sorry. But it was actually good. Actually good. All right. And so what is this? This is like, is this okra soup?
Yeah, okra soup.
Yes, okra soup is my favorite, but we also mix it with like beef stew. So I'm just gonna try something that's a little different. So it looks kind of, so basically, guys, I can't really show it that well, but it's basically,
okra soup.
Okra soup mixed with like a beef stew. So let's kind of see from there. Sorry. All right, so the next one I can't open just yet. I can't open it, but I'm open when we start eating it. But what is this?
This right here is banga soup.
Banga soup.
Yeah, with a big catfish in it.
Okay, so you guys, if you guys can see, this is banga soup, and it has catfish in it. So it's kind of like, reminds you, like, for most South Carolinians who like catfish stew, this kind of reminds me of it, but I'm pretty sure the flavors are going to be different. So anyone who likes catfish stew, this kind of gives you an idea of all the ingredients that's in catfish stew. It's kind of, maybe not similar, but like close to.
It's a soup, not a stew. Catfish soup.
Well, I'm sorry, it's a soup, not a stew. But you guys know that.
So this is a melon soup.
And the last one is melon soup. And so melon soup, so melon is as in melon the fruit, like a fruit.
No.
See, in America, I'm thinking, when I think of melon, I think of an actual fruit.
It's Egusi.
Oh, right. This is Egusi soup, you guys.
Egusi soup.
Okay, cool. And so we have these things called the Fufu.
And this is Garri.
And Garri. And so in Fufu, it takes 7 hours to make. I have heard this 1,000 times, guys. It takes 7 hours to make. And this is the first time I have...
Not to make, to digest.
I'm sorry, to digest.
Yeah.
To digest. Well, I have been dying to try this. Ever since I got here, I was like, I want fufu, I want fufu, I want fufu. And watch when I eat it, I hate it, but we'll see. All right, guys, so we're gonna like start eating some of this food and see what it tastes like. So you take a piece off, and Wisdom showed me how to do this. You roll it.
Not with your two hands.
Oh, sorry, you roll it with one hand. You roll it with one hand.
You make a bowl.
You make a ball.
Yeah.
Like this. And then you dig into the food like this.
That's okra soup.
Which is okra soup. And you eat it. I like fufu.
Are you chewing it?
I mean, I just like the texture of it, actually.
You just swallow it.
Oh, yeah, you guys. So, I like to chew everything, but wisdom basically say, like, you just swallow it. I'm like...
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not young food.
You eat, you have to taste, you can,
Alright.
you can taste the melon soup. No, you have to eat, swallow.
Oh,
Before
okay.
jumping from rice to soup to
But-
rice and stew.
but why?
Just take the swallow first.
I have to follow. Okay, you guys, it's a rule you gotta follow. So when you start with swallow, foods that you have to swallow with the fufu,
Yeah.
you eat that first. All right, cool. So then this is the Goosey Soup.
Yep.
So all right, so, I've already rolled up my fufu. That's good.
Okay, next is
A little spicy.
banga soup.
Make a ball, guys. And then I will take a
He's
piece.
supposed to use this soup. The banga soup. Dip it.
Oh, you dip it. Boom. Oh, that's good. That's good, y'all. And I like catfish. I'm gonna bite into the cow skin.
That's fine. Easy, it's spicy.
Oh, it's spicy as hell.
Woo!
That's spicy. So, guys, put some rice behind that. Kpomo
Rice and stew.
with rice and stew. It is spicy. Just remember that. It's spicy. So, either way, enjoy.
Enjoying this Nigerian foods.
Yeah, I have a very, very open palate to things, so I'm definitely open to trying new stuff. My food has been amazing. Just the overall experience has been just fun. And so I encourage anyone, if you can, to visit Nigeria at some point. I know I'm about to offend somebody. I hate people who go to other countries and order like just chicken fingers or a burger. Like, no, stop that. Like, try the local food. Like, try something different. Like, get out of your comfort zone and try something different. You'll never know if you like something until you try it. Oh, wow. So, y'all, definitely, and this catfish is the bomb.com. I ain't gonna lie, it's the bomb.
Wait, which of the soup do you prefer among these three?
I think I like the catfish.
Is it because the catfish or the catfish soup?
I think I like the soup in it.
Okay.
I like the soup in it. It's
It's
good.
very awful.
So yeah, it's actually like really, really good. Like I really enjoy it. All right, you guys, we gonna wrap up. We gonna eat this good food, and after that, it looks like I might be taking me a nap because I'm getting kind of full. So thank you for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Probably the next episode, I'll be on my way going back to the US. So I'm gonna miss Nigeria. I've had so much fun. Wisdom has been amazing. He has been helping me out the entire time with the camera and stuff like that. So shout out to him. And just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell. And I will see you guys soon. Take care.